everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward with another vacancy for you, that too in the National Institute of Epidemiology with the post name of scientist and the project technical officer. The total number of posts released are 5 in number. The qualification required for this vacancy is the BDS degree, postgraduate degree, PhD or even the graduate. The last date that you can apply for this vacancy is the 4th November of this year. NIE job notification releases the information for the hiring of the 5 posts, that is as a scientist, project technical officer, which has been released on the official website which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career can apply and having a walk-in application on or before 4th November of this year. Qualification in detail as for the project scientist C non-medical, BDS degree is required by the DCI with 5 years of experience in epidemiology or in the public health center. Now the qualification for the project technical officer, graduate in statistics or biostatistics from the recognized university with 5 years of the work experience from the recognized institution or the master degree in statistics or biostatistics from the recognized institution. Third qualification for the project scientist C non-medical, BDS degree recognized by DCI with 5 years of experience in public health or epidemiology or the first class master degree in epidemiology or the public health, that is MPH, or the data sciences or even in the biotechnology with 4 years of the experience in public health or medical research experience, or we can say the second class master degree in epidemiology or the public health. Whereby we can have the candidate having the PhD plus 4 years in the public health or medical research experience. Now the most important part is apna sapna money, that is the salary detail. For the project scientist C, medical and the non-medical, the salary is rupees 51,000 per month, and for the project technical officer the salary is rupees 32,000 per month. Definitely the age limit is there. For the project scientist C, the age limit is 40 years, and for the project technical officer, the age limit is 30 to 33 years. The process is based upon the walk-in interview or the written test. Now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates should submit their certificate or the testimonials in original for the verification. Candidates who fail to bring the original certificate at the time of interview or the written test with the address of ICMR NIE Chennai. That's all about the today's vacancy. Hope you like this vacancy. Then hit the like button to this video. Along with that, don't forget to check out the official notification regarding this vacancy in the community tab section of my YouTube channel, which only stays for the next 24 hours. So apply fast and thank me later on. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Along with that, if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.